screen brightness in broad daylight unlike any other, pairing as fast as it can. Begin by installing the DAFIT app and allow app permissions. Add Smartwatch. Wait till you see PoPFit and you're done. Work efficiently, go on hikes, binge all night. It's game on when you have 7-day battery backup or a 10-day standby battery. But PoPFit can do much more like this. And this. And this. And this too. Smart notifications let you in on all activities in real time. You might want to check weather conditions before heading out, especially in these rainy seasons. Enter a healthy lifestyle by tracking your sleep cycle. And that's not all yet. Go to workout from main menu to go through 120 multi-sport modes like running, cycling, skipping, swimming, dancing, yoga, and much more. Select watch faces from the app with hundreds of options to choose from. Order your PoPFit smartwatch today.